So Gmail is a pretty powerful email service, but you can make it a lot more powerful by taking advantage of some of the advanced settings. If you look for the little settings cog in the upper right and click on that, you'll see a handful of settings immediately that you can change. Take advantage of those. But you can also go to see all settings and you'll see a bunch more. Notice there are a bunch of different tabs along the top here, all of which are categories of settings that you can control in your Gmail and its appearance. General settings, language, I'm assuming that would be English for most of us, if not all of us. Set the maximum page size. How many conversations do you want to show? Do you want it to be 50? Do you want it to be smaller? Undo send. Basically what that means is for however long you set this, after you send a message, it will wait that long before it sends. And if you decide you want to unsend it, you can click on unsend and it won't send it, which could save you a lot of grief. I don't know how many angry emails are being written, but this would allow you to unsend them. But if you have a chance to think better of it, you can change the default reply behavior. So you can choose between either reply or reply all. We should probably all have that set to reply. And there's a bunch of other different settings that you can choose under general. You can define labels. Labels are like folders. One advantage that labels have over folders is that an email can have multiple labels associated with it. And so really what you're doing here is you're not placing the email in a folder, you're just attaching labels for it. And then when you search for emails with a given label, it won't matter where they are, what of the other labels are. It will get you all the emails with that label, whether they have other labels attached to them or not. And there's just a bunch of different tabs up here. You can take control of a lot of the different things that Gmail will allow you to do. It will allow you to work more efficiently, really take control of your email environment. And that's how you can take advantage of the advanced features and settings in Gmail.